If you're looking for the best capsule coffee maker to enjoy unbeatable coffee at home, this video is for you. Together, we'll explore the 3 best capsule coffee makers available today. We regularly update our recommendations to showcase the latest and greatest products. You'll find all the details in the description below. Ready to go? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you never miss our updates. If you'd like some personalized advice, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to get back to you. Let's dive in. First, we have the Kotley 19-bar Espresso 4-in-1 coffee machine, a truly versatile model designed to meet all your coffee needs. It's compatible with Nespresso, Dolce Gusto capsules, ground coffee, and ESE pods, giving you complete freedom to choose how you want your coffee. This machine stands out for its ability to deliver a rich, barista-quality espresso with a powerful 19-bar pressure, ensuring you get the perfect extraction of flavors every time. One of its standout features is how easy it is to use. With a 1,450-watt heating element, it brews your coffee in just 30 seconds. Just fill the 800 milliliters removable water tank, insert your coffee, press a button, and you're good to go. Whether you're rushing in the morning or want a quick coffee fix during the day, this machine has you covered. Plus, its compact design, 19D x25W x34HCM, means it fits perfectly in small kitchens, offices, or even when traveling. Its precise flow control system allows you to choose between 2 ounces and 6-ounce cup sizes, or customize the amount by holding the button. So, whether you want a quick espresso shot or a larger cup of coffee, it adjusts to your needs. There are plenty of advantages here. It's portable, compact, and offers a great deal of flexibility by supporting multiple coffee formats. The removable tank makes it easy to clean, and the BPA-free materials ensure safe use. It's ideal for people who love variety, but don't want to clutter their kitchen with multiple coffee makers. As for downsides, the 800 milliliters water tank might feel a bit limited if you're making several cups a day, so frequent refills could be necessary. Additionally, you'll need to do regular maintenance, like using citric acid to remove limescale after every 200 uses, especially if you don't use filtered water. But this small effort is worth it to ensure your machine stays in top condition and continues to deliver great tasting coffee. In my opinion, the Kotley 19-bar Espresso 4-in-1 is perfect for anyone looking for an all-in-one coffee machine that's easy to use, fast, and versatile. Whether you're an espresso lover or enjoy larger, more relaxed cups of coffee, this machine is a great option that won't take up much space. Just keep up with the cleaning, and you'll have a reliable coffee companion for years to come. Secondly, let's explore the Philips Senseo HD 6554/68, a pod coffee machine that combines elegance and functionality. With its 1450 watts of power, it is designed to brew up to 5 cups of coffee, making it an ideal option for busy households or offices. Its Senseo pod system allows you to enjoy a wide range of coffees and gourmet drinks, with the option to brew 1 or 2 cups at a time. Among its standout features, Aroma Booster technology optimizes flavor extraction for a rich and intense taste. Paired with Crema Plus technology, it ensures a delightful layer of crema on every cup, adding a touch of sophistication to your coffee. Additionally, with the Intensity Selector, you can easily adjust the flavor to your liking, whether you crave a strong coffee or a milder beverage. The Philips Senseo HD 6554/68 is also user-friendly, equipped with a reusable filter and an automatic shut-off function for convenient and energy-efficient use. Weighing only 1.7 kilograms and featuring a sleek black design, it fits perfectly in any kitchen, even the smallest ones. However, while it is high-performing, it is essential to keep the machine clean to ensure optimal coffee quality. With over 10,000 tests conducted, you can have peace of mind knowing that it is built to last. In summary, the Philips Senseo HD 6554/68 is perfect for anyone looking for a versatile, easy-to-use coffee machine that can produce a wide variety of coffees. Whether you are alone or in good company, this machine is an excellent choice that will provide satisfaction cup after cup. With a 2-year warranty, you can enjoy your coffee with confidence for years to come. Thirdly, let's explore the Nespresso DeLonghi Yen 124 S Pixie Silver, a perfect blend of elegance and performance. With a power of 1260 W and a capacity of 0.7 L, This compact machine is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen while delivering a superior coffee experience. Its side panels made from recycled capsules highlight its commitment to sustainability while adding a modern touch to its silver design. Among its standout features, the direct selection buttons make it easy to prepare either an espresso or a lungo according to your preferences. The automatic flow stop system ensures precise and automatic coffee preparation, guaranteeing a perfectly measured cup every time. Additionally, its hinged drip tray accommodates different cup and glass sizes, enhancing its practicality. The machine is also equipped with a lit coffee capsule storage container, allowing you to keep your capsules within reach while adding a warm ambience to your coffee space. With electronic temperature regulation, you can enjoy each cup of coffee at the ideal temperature for optimal taste. However, while it is highly efficient, it is essential to follow cleaning recommendations to ensure consistent coffee quality. With a compact design and an A+ energy rating, this machine is not only effective but also energy efficient. In summary, the Nespresso DeLonghi Yen 124 S Pixie Silver is perfect for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, fast, and stylish capsule coffee machine. Whether you're an espresso lover or prefer a lungo, this machine is an excellent choice that will provide satisfaction cup after cup. Enjoy every coffee moment with style and comfort. Having a coffee machine at home or in the workplace offers numerous advantages. Not only does it allow you to enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee at any time of day, but it also helps create a friendly and stimulating atmosphere. Whether you need a boost in the morning or a coffee break in the afternoon, a coffee machine provides the convenience and quality of barista-level coffee without having to leave your home or office. Plus, with the various options available, you can easily customize your coffee to suit your taste. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated on the latest technological innovations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Each week, we share tips, product reviews, and advice to help you make the best choices in the world of high-tech gadgets. We love interacting with you, so if you have any questions or would like advice on a particular product, leave us a comment below. We will do our best to respond and assist you in your quest for the best tech gear. Your opinion means a lot to us, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. See you soon, and thank you for being part of our community.